My name is Harish.
My name is Sadiq.
My name is Yatindra.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance mama India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satriya, Assam, Mathura, Madhya Pradesh, Dalia, Gujarat, Yashadana, Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners
Jnanapita Award winners
from Karnataka.
from Karnataka. Kuempu, Dharavendra, Shivarankaran, Maki Venkatesha Iyengar, V.K. Goka, V.R. Girish Kana, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Vartana, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Kamlavarani, Lagar, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National festivals. January 26th, Republic Day. August 15th, Independence Day. September 5th, Teachers Day. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. November 14th, Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Look Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mukha Upanishads.
Tandukya Upanishad, Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Dhruvaranya Upanishad.
Dashavataram Lord Vishnu.
Jatavtaram Vishnu, Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Bhavana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
States and capitals.
State, capital. meters. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Andhra Pradesh, Sijanagar. Assam School. PR partner. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Kalyana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Bombay. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shiva. Mizoram, Vaijavi. Nagaland, Kohima. Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Arakalam. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Delaro. West Bengal, Kolkata.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka. Bagalkot, Bellary. Bidar. Bengaluru rural. Bengaluru urban. Belagavi. Chamarajanagar. Chikkaballapura. Dakshinadurga. Dakshina Kannada. Davangere. Dharwad. Gadag. Hassan. Kaveri. Kalaburagi. Oragu. Kolar. Koppala. Mandya. Mysore. Ramagara. Raichur. Shimoga. Udupi. Uttar Kannada. Vijaypura. Yagiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals. Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Christmas, Street, Holi, Moharram, Good Friday.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of fruits.
Names of fruits. Vasanta Rutu, Vishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Samanka Rutu, Shishika Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu rural months. Chaitra, Vaishakha, Mahisha, Ashada, Mahavana, Madhupada, Asyura, Kalgini, Magashira, Pushya, Maga, Pelpuna.
5 sense organs.
5